Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to CC in Gmail. Yeah, this is part of the Gmail tips and tricks series for the full 2025 guide. It's simple, but a lot of people still get confused about when and how to use it, so let's just jump right in. All right, so first, open Gmail and make sure you're signed in. On the left side, click the Compose button to start a new email. This is where we'll add your CC recipients. When the new message window pops up, you'll see the main to field at the top. Right next to it, there's a little text that says CC. Just click on that. And yeah, the CC field will appear right underneath. Now type in the email addresses of the people you want to CC. CC basically means you're sending them a copy for visibility, not necessarily expecting a reply. It's great for keeping teammates or clients in the loop. Then in the to field, add your main recipient, the person the message is actually directed to. Go ahead and write your subject and your email body like you normally would. Yeah, nothing special here. When everything looks good, just hit the send button. Everyone in the to field and everyone in the CC field will get the message at the same time. Super easy, and that's all there is to it. That's how you use CC in Gmail, part of the Gmail tips and tricks. Full 2025 guide. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you don't miss out on more quick tutorials.